how to save Instagram photos and videos to your gallery on Android. This tutorial shows you how to download any post directly to your device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. If you want to automatically save all your future posts to your gallery, open your profile and tap on the three lines at the top right to go to Settings. Once done, scroll down and tap on Archiving and Downloading. From there, toggle on Save Posts to Device so every photo or video you post on Instagram gets automatically saved to your gallery. At this stage, you can also toggle on Save Stories to Device if you want your stories saved automatically as well. From here, if you want to save pictures that can't be saved, in that case, take a screenshot for photos or use the screen recorder for videos. Finally, keep in mind that you can only download your own posts directly. For other people's content, the download option will only appear if they have it enabled on their account. And that's it. If this guide helped you save Instagram photos and videos to your gallery, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.